In this video, a nurse will understand the various aspects of baby bath. Purposes, contraindication, steps of procedure, equipment required, aftercare, and most importantly, what to do when things go wrong. In other words, equipments: basin, baby soap, bowl with sterile water, cotton balls, sponge, clean blanket or bath towel, clean diapers, clean clothes. Steps of procedure: perform hand rub, wipe the eyes from inner canthus to outer canthus with cotton swab. The mouth of infant. Dry the baby with towel or blanket. Key points to remember: maintain the room temperature. Prevent the child from drop and chill in winters. After head bath, wipe the head with dry towel and put cap. Give bath to the baby, preferably 1 hour after the breastfeed.
This is just a trailer, but if you are really interested in learning all clinical procedures, we have a video library that includes all clinical procedures followed at NABH JCI accredited hospitals. You know, all the videos are demonstrated by the clinical experts working at NABH JCI accredited multi-specialty hospitals. And the most important features of this video is that they include common clinical errors. Hey, so what are you waiting for? Contact us here and improve your clinical skills. Thank you.